Alright guys, in this video what you see is my Saint Seiya modified prints that came off different printers. Now you have the Alphawise Mini Delta, and it did a pretty good job, but there's a lot of stringing there. Then I printed this one on the Alphawise in parts. I don't have the arms because it's too hard to show on camera. But again, the detail was quite good, but with plastic printers, you can see all the layer lines. Not that much on this one. But as you can see here, this is the Monoprice Mini SLA. Did a fantastic job. Not sure how I'm going to get all the supports off, but that'll be the struggle. And then this is the Creality LD001. Also did a fantastic job. Hopefully the supports will come off quite easily with these, but we'll see. Anyway, the prints came out fantastic on all of them, and so I'm quite glad about that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.